Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix missing DLL files in Windows 11 and 10. You just simply come over into your Google Chrome and then here you just need to search for DirectX and click download. And after that you can see DirectX and user runtime web installer. So if you click on that, you will come over this interface over here, select your language, any of your preferable language. And after that you just need to click on download. After completing the download, you just simply drag it over here like this. And then if you click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. And then here you will get installing Microsoft widget. So I accept the agreement, click next. And I don't want to install the Bing bar, so click next. And it's installing. And after that, there will be a download size. So if you click on next another time over here. And after completing the download, you can see it's installing component. So keep patience and wait for a little bit. And you can see that the installation is completed. And I hope this time your DLL file will be not missed yet. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.